Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by diagnosing what you see. First, look at undertone and note whether the area reads cool, warm, or neutral. This guides color relationships. Next, target the exact hue of the discoloration. Is it red from irritation, blue under eye, purple veins, brown hyperpigmentation, or yellow sallow tones? Once done, factor in texture because dry or flaky skin needs a creamier corrector, while oily skin tolerates liquids. Make these choices before you pick a shade. Now you apply basic color theory to select the corrector. Use opposite hues. Green neutralizes red, peach or orange cancels blue or purple under eyes, and lavender offsets yellow sallow. Once chosen, match intensity deeper, cooler circles need a slightly richer, 1 to 2 shades deeper corrector. Lighter discoloration needs subtle tints. Make sure to pick a formula that fits skin texture, cream for dry areas and liquid for oily zones, so application blends seamlessly and doesn't cake. You finish by applying and securing the corrector. Dab a small amount directly on the spot and blend outward with a damp sponge or soft brush. Don't rub hard because sheer layering preserves coverage. Once blended, use a light translucent powder to set and prevent creasing, then apply foundation over it if needed. If it looks off, patch test a different tone nearby. If it's cakey, thin with a drop of moisturizer or switch to a lighter formula. That single tweak usually fixes most.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.